Did you know that you can make AutoCAD repeat any command as many times as you want? Let's take a look. First of all, a lot of people know that some commands have a multiple option on the command line. For example, if I go to the Fillet Command, one of my options on the command line is multiple, which will allow me to automatically enter the command again. So if I say multiple, and then I pick my objects, I want to say fillet this to this, it automatically restarts the command so that I can come back in and I can continue to fillet as necessary until I get my job done. When I'm done, I can press escape and it will automatically kick me out, or it will take me out of that command. And a lot of commands have that option. For example, if I come in here and I choose chamfer, you'll notice that there is a multiple option. But you can use multiple with any command in AutoCAD. You just have to type it in before you start the command. So on the command line, I'm going to type in multiple, and it asks me on the command line to enter the command to repeat. So for example, I can just say I want to repeat circle. And now when I pick my center point from my circle and then I pick my radius, as soon as I get done, it restarts the command and it asks me for the next center point. So if I wanted to draw several circles that all had the same radius in a row, I could simply just use the multiple command and then hit enter after I pick my start point, and when I'm done, I can press escape to get out of the command. Hope this helps you save a little bit of time.